Claude Code Remote Control. Run Claude on your laptop, control it from your phone. Your code never leaves your machine. Before you start, check your version. You need February 1st, 51 or later. Update with npm if needed. Important, you must log in with your Claude.ai account, not an API key. Works on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans. Option 1. Server mode. Run Claude Remote Control in your project directory. A session URL appears in the terminal. Press spacebar to show a QR code. Scan it with the Claude app on your phone to connect instantly. Server mode has useful flags. Name your session so you can find it in the list. Use spawn worktree to run multiple concurrent sessions using Git worktrees. Set a capacity limit to control how many devices can connect. Option 2. Interactive mode. Start with the remote control flag, and you can type in the terminal and control it from your phone at the same time. Option 3. You're already inside a Claude Code session. Just type /rc to get a URL and QR code without restarting. 3 ways to connect from another device. Open the session URL in any browser. Scan the QR code with the Claude app. Or find your session by name in the session list. Active sessions show a green dot. Here's a real workflow. Start a session before your meeting, give Claude a task, then walk away. Open the Claude app, find your session, watch the progress, and answer any questions from your phone. When you're back at your desk, the full conversation history is right there in the terminal. To enable remote control for every session, run /config inside Claude Code and turn on the toggle. Now, every Claude command you run registers a remote session automatically. How it stays secure. Your machine never opens inbound ports. Claude Code makes outbound HTTPS requests only. Messages are TLS encrypted through Anthropic's API. Short-lived credentials expire automatically. Your code never leaves your machine. Only conversation text goes through the API. Remote control versus Claude Code on the web. Both use the same interface, but work differently. Remote control gives full access to your local files and MCP servers. Use it when you want to continue local work from another device. Use the web version when you want to start fresh without any local setup. 3 limitations to know. 1 session per process. Use spawn worktree if you need more. The terminal must stay open, though it reconnects automatically when your machine wakes up. And there's a 10-minute timeout if the API is unreachable. Remote control is part of a broader remote workflow. Dispatch lets you send tasks from your phone, and the desktop session picks them up. Channels connect Claude Code to Telegram, Discord, or Slack. And scheduled tasks let you run Claude on a cron schedule. Full guide at kemalcodes.com.